Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Thursday, May 2nd, 2024, and we're going up with Tesla looking for about $500 gain. Normally, we would go in with a market order, but as you can see, it's a 10-cent spread. So that means that if we were to go in at market, we're 10 cents negative from where we started. So to avoid that, you can put in a limit order. Now with a limit order, you're either going to get filled or you're not going to get filled. As you can see, the famous H pattern, wide state situation, H pattern, H pattern, H pattern, H pattern, moving average balance, and we're going to get a leaning H to the upside. Slingshot with H pattern. As a new trader, Tesla, Nvidia, Netflix, they're faster movers, so you're going to have to put the pieces together a lot quicker, but the fundamental basics of the triple sync logic still stay the same. What we want to see happen is the price to get up on top of the 21, get past the 50, get up into this area, and potentially accelerate up to this area. If it can't do that and it starts to stall out, we'll close out with profit. This is the retrace on the 21 that we were expecting. So price went up, came down, paused, and we expect it to shoot off again. $550. Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, May 2nd, 2024, and we're going to go up at the market.
Order filled.
We're looking for about $1 run. Wide state, H pattern. Wide state, H pattern, H pattern. H pattern, H pattern.
Order filled.
$810.
Order filled.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Thursday, May 2nd, 2024, and we're going down with the market. We're looking for about $1 drop. We will go over the details here in a little bit. I expect some aggressive selling to push the price below the 50, come hang out, and then we might have a snap. $850. All right, what do we have? An inverted H with a slingshot. Lightning to the downside, inverted H, 555 inverted H with a lightning to the downside. What you need to pay attention to is when price is launching off of the 21 and it comes down and crashes and you have enough strength to get past the previous high, you can't expect it to turn around. It came through this time, so that should have been chipping away at the power, but what do? We lunge up with power. So what we need to do is wait for it to come down, hold out, and trust that it's going to come back up into this area. Gives you an opportunity to potentially go down for roughly around $1. So between watching the price and the matrix, left about $150, $200 on the table. But nevertheless, everything was set up. We just had to be patient, do what we needed to do, especially when you're trading same-day expirations at a very high delta. Sometimes you need to wait for everything to sync up and the spread's not to be wide. So when you get into these good setups, you don't get hit with a spread that might be unbearable for that 15-cent stop that you place on a 10-contract trade. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen, have a great day.